Hi and welcome to my new video. And in this watch settings tutorial or how to set a watch, I have the GWG-2000. That is the newest Gshock Mudmaster. So let's get straight to the topic. Adjusting the hand alignment or basically realigning your watch hands. Sometimes when a watch is exposed to a strong magnetism or impact, the watch hands can go out of the alignment. What that means? Well, that means that your analog time is not corresponding to your digital time. To realign those hands, I'm gonna use this following procedure. First of all, your watch has to be in the standard timekeeping mode, which is currently in right now. Unscrew the crown, which I previously did. Pull the crown, you heard the click, and the city appears over here. Next step would be to press this button over here for at least 5 seconds and release it when the hand adjust starts to flash over here. So let's go, press and hold. And there it is. Now, this indicates that hand alignment adjustment has started. Hand set will flash for the first display for 0.5 seconds after you hold this button over here, which previously did. And after all, the hands move to 12 o'clock and the watch is now doing its job. We will simply push the crown back in, but first of all, let's see if the watch hands will properly align. They should be properly aligned because I didn't have this problem. I did this video just to show you how to do it. And there it is. My hands are properly aligned. Now, simply as the states, push the crown back in and the hands are properly aligned, which means that your digital time should follow to your analog time being displayed. And that was another how-to tutorial video on my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you.